In today's video, I'll show you a brand new strategy that you can use in order to earn decent amounts of money by just completing some easy tasks. You can earn free PayPal money from anywhere in the world because this is available worldwide. It doesn't require any experience or skills at all, but you just need to follow me step by step through the entire process so you can get the desired results. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. And if you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question or opinion about this video, just leave a comment down below. Without any further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. And the very first step is to come over to this platform called Rapid Workers. This is over at rapidworkers.com. This is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 of workers. You're going to see what this platform does. They help individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns in order to increase sales, to better ranking, and much more. And they need people to do all of the tasks that are required. So you are going to be today a worker on here, so you can get paid per each task that you complete. You're going to see that they have a lot of available tasks, and here are just some of them, like liking some YouTube videos, follow people on Twitter, sign up to some websites, create Gmail accounts, sign up to online games, and so on and so forth. And you're going to see how much you're going to get paid and also how much time you need in order to complete that particular task. As a worker, you're going to just sign up first, and I'm going to walk you through the entire sign up process. You're going to browse those micro jobs, you're going to select jobs that you like, then finish tasks, and you're going to submit proof, which are going to be some screenshots. You can earn money and then do much more, and you can get paid through different payment methods, including PayPal, as you can see, which is pretty awesome, but also you can get paid directly to your bank account with MasterCard or Visa. And in order to get started, so you're going to be a member of this platform, you need to click on be a part of Rapid Workers now but here. But before that, I want to show you something else. As you can see here, this platform has been around since 2009, and this shows that this is a legit platform. Actually, it is a proof that this is 100% legit and it's going to get you paid because it has been around for quite some times. And let's proceed to the sign up process. So after you click on this button here, you need to put your name, you need to put an email address, a password. Here on the country, you're going to see that this is available all around the world. As I promised you in the beginning of this video, you have all of these countries listed here. Then you need to complete this CAPTCHA, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, terms and conditions, as you can see, and then create your account. But there are some rules that you need to follow. You have them listed here, a set of rules that you need to follow in order to not get banned. And number one is that you can't use VPN or other type of masking IP software. You can use multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared public Wi-Fi. You can use the same IP used with other accounts to do tasks, and you can't do jobs that are not from the country that you are from. So all of this will get you banned if you don't follow this set of rules, and if you get banned, then you don't waste your time making another account because you are not allowed to. So anyway, once you put your information and create your account, you're going to get an email from them. They are going to send you an email address, so you need to check your inbox, and you're going to just verify your account so you can be able to log into your brand new account. So after you click on the link that they are going to send you, you're just going to put your email address, the password, complete the captcha, and then you're going to log into your brand new account. And once you do so, this is how it's going to look like. Here you're going to see all of these jobs listed. You're going to see that where you can do this job, if it is international, the country, and so on. And keep in mind that this has to be international or the country that you're from. Then you have here the payment. You're going to see here how much money you're going to get paid per each job, also the time that it requires, and you're going to see that it is like 1 minute, 3 minutes of work for you. It is not a lot, and the maximum is like 20 minutes. And then you're going to see also these informations up here. You're going to see your balance, which now is $0 because I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial. And also you're going to see transaction history and so on and so forth. And the thing is that you can check your account up here, and here in the withdraw button you can withdraw your money. And the thing is that you just need to put your payment methods, how you want to get paid, and you can just withdraw your money in cash. And then the thing is that they also offer some tutorials so you can learn more about how to complete those tasks. But let me show you here what tasks they offer besides the one that I showed you before, like watching YouTube videos here and sharing them. You have like to register in some websites. You can download files and get paid. You can enter some of your information. You can just enter your email address and that's it. And you have also some simple tasks. You can visit websites. So there are a lot of simple tasks that you can complete, and you can get paid again and again. You have a lot of tasks that you can complete, and you can never run out of them. Just make sure that you select the one that are international or that are respective to your country that you are from, so you're not going to get banned. And let me show you an example. So once you find the tasks that you like, you're just going to click on it, and after that you're going to just see all of the rules that you need to follow in order to get paid. This is the test about downloading files, as it is this one right here, which is also international and pays you 25 cents, and it only requires 2 minutes of work. And you just need to go over to this link. You need to click on download and complete at least one offer in order to start the download process. So it is required a proof that the task was finished, so you're going to send a screenshot of the file that you're downloading after completing. Once you do so, you're going to get paid. So it is easy as that. It requires you like 2 minutes of work, and it is the same thing with all the other tests that I showed you before. But before closing today's video, I want to remind all of you to subscribe to our channel Lady Nemia's World with notifications on. And of course, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you for watching.